Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our beautiful Hope double arch door today. All right guys, so we're on the Hope door today. All right, a lot to talk about, a lot of history with this door. One of my dad's designs, and I've seen this door for many years in my life, okay? So let's talk about this thing. This is a 72 by 96. So measures from outside to outside is 72 inches this way. 96 inches is from the bottom of the threshold to the top peak of the threshold, to the frame is 96 inches. So this is a 72 by 96 inch door. We make this door in different sizes, different shapes, and single door and double door, okay? This is an oil rub bronze door. That's the color of the door. Starts off as a black door, then we add bronze to it. We can definitely special order or custom order this door in different colors that we offer. These pickets, these are all solid metal pickets, okay? And these are all they've been all heated up and welded. It's been welded there, heated up, bended, and hammered on the edges. Pretty cool, super heavy door, but it's awesome. These are all little leaves that we add on it. So this is another door that my dad loves doing, is he loves shrinking the tubes down on the sides to get a larger glass in. So typically on an iron door, you use a 6-inch frame here. Well, that's your 6-inch frame. So imagine having that and having it on that side, how much smaller your glass gets and how much smaller your design gets. This kind of tricks the eye for the door looks larger than what it is. This is one of his little signature pieces and his little kick plate on the bottom. Awesome door. We've had it for many years. We've had a lot of success with it. This is the kick plate on the bottom. You can definitely get this door without a kick plate if you like on a custom order. We do duplicate that design on the interior side of it also. This is rain glass. It's textured. You can run your hand on it. We do have this door in different glass types if you need to also. That's pretty much it. Let me flip this around, show you guys what the other side looks like. Okay, we're on the back side of the door. I'll show you guys how the glass opens. You untwist the knob, flick it over, glass opens up. I already did the top. It's got a weather seal on the glass. It's got another one on the door. That's to keep a double seal on the glass, obviously, on areas that are super duper windy, so you don't have any whistling inside. Another thing we do is this bottom tube is always sloped a little bit down. So if you have any kind of storm coming in, you have sideways rain, and your overhang doesn't cover enough, and you get any kind of water here, it kind of diverts itself, throws the water out, so it doesn't sit there because it is a metal door. Glass opening, this is mostly made so you can clean the door in the glass. Some people like to add a screen. That's definitely an option. Most of our doors don't have screens. Some do now, but you can definitely add a screen on special order, and you can use that to vent the house out if you want. Open the door up. Let me lock this in real quick. So on these doors, most of our doors have roller catches on them. So these guys you can adjust in and out, and they'll adjust the tension of the door when it closes and opens. All of the doors are bored out, ready to go for your locks. We can do custom locks if you need to on custom orders. But this is a pretty simple American standard lock. 5.5 from center to center, 2 3/4 back set, 2-inch thick door. Okay, so this is pretty standard. You can buy locks from anywhere you like if you don't buy it from us. But try to buy it from us. It'll just come in a package, bill free. You can put it together. Pretty much it. You got that kick plate that has the same design on the inside. Greasable hinges. So over time, if you ever need to grease up the hinges when they dry up, just get an automotive grease gun, pump some grease in there, and you'll be set. 12-gauge steel, guys, on all of our doors. Almost 99% of our doors, unless if it's specified otherwise. And all foam filled, so it doesn't sound hollow. And we do offer all of our doors in thermal break for people that live in areas that drops below 20 degrees. Okay, that's pretty much it. See you guys on the next tour. Thank you. Hi everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed our Hope double arch showcase today. If you guys have any questions, leave us some comments, or you can call us at 844-843-6677, or you can email us at info@pinkiesirondoors.com. Thank you guys.